Hello everyone, welcome to SciNetrik, Institute for Conceptual Excellence. I am Abu Sharif and I have created this platform with one clear goal, to help you learn smarter, think deeper and grow stronger. You have seen most of the students study for marks, but in real world only concepts, clarity and thinking power matters. And that's exactly what we'll focus on here. At SciNetrik you will get concept-based learning for 9 to 12 standard, smart guidance for UG and PG students, along with competitive exam guidance, weekly talks on mindset, logic, and clarity. So, this is not just a coaching institute, this is a mission. Yes, a mission to create smart learning and better citizen. Because real education is not just about syllabus, it's about building your mind, mindset, and future. So, if you believe in learning with understanding, hit subscribe, press the bell icon, and join the journey to learn, think, and lead only on SciNetrik. Stay tuned.